so quiet. Here, Hiccups.
You lead the way.
Oh no. I think these are the hiccups that don't go away. Oh no. I'm gonna shoot this shit.
Okay.
Fuck y'all. Oh shit.
Help! Help! Lead the way.
I run so fast.
Oh shit. Hold on. I can't catch my breath.
Follow me. Holy crap! Help!
I think I'm just making your hiccups worse.
Okay. I'm gonna die.
He's gonna implode. What? You just sounded like a Wookiee. You're looking. That's what happens when you hiccup and cough. It's turn into a Wookiee.
Oh, it hurts. It hurts. It hurts so bad. It's so bad. White.
Ready, Hiccups?
In
Let's
the-
go.
Oh my god.
Here, you go.
Oh my god.
Help! Crap! Help! Getting sure. Civil protection is onto us. We're tearing up the railroad, covering our tracks. Looks like you're gonna be the last
Oh
one
my
through.
god, I'm
Glad
sorry.
you're not the guy they're looking for. Poor bastard doesn't
It
seem-
Let it
really
run its course.
does.
Sounds like they're
It
calling in
does
a
kind of
city
hurt.
from
I'm not
17.
gonna lie.
Now they're flooding the areas up ahead with manhats. You better get going before they sweep through here.
Oh my god!
That was a close call. Thanks for your help.
Yes, peanut butter actually works. Peanut butter actually works.
Keep going.
I've tried that before. Oh my god.
You lead the way.
Oh, there's a box in your head. Hey, what the?
Lead the way.
Now you're giving me hiccups.
Got sympathy hiccups.
Yeah. A spoonful of sugar will help sometimes.
Yeah, peanut butter. Ah!
And hex.
Ah!
Oh shit!
No, sir.
Barrels
Oh
come from.
my god. Somebody make it stop, please.
Ammunition.
way.
I'll cover you. You take point.
You lead the way.
Oh my god.
Do you want to take a break for a minute?
I might need to.
Go find some peanut butter.
I might, yeah. Let me help.
Here, come stand out here in the sun where it's night. Oh wait, no, this is bad. This is bad. This is not nice. Ah.
My arm! She says my arm.
Oh, balls.
Oh my god, okay. Oh my god. Fuck you. Kill your own shit, bruh. Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you. What are you fighting?
I found a vent with some stuff in it. Oh, lots of stuff. Look at all the stuff. I love stuff.
Oh, I made
I
it.
think there's ammo in here. Oh, my flashlight's work. Okay. Ow, what? What a jerk. Okay, I'm back down here now. Did you want to go find something? We can wait here.
Yeah. I'll be right back.
I'll just hang out here. Sounds like you're getting scared every 5 seconds. Sauce booty.